everyone, welcome back to Saturday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, it's the end of season 8, Uzalo, and we're about to start season 9. Well, guys, I'm here to update you of what is going to happen this week from the 28th to the 3rd of March 2023 on Tuesday. Mtambisi encapsulates date. It takes a fear 10 for the worst, fears 10 for the worst. Monly and the unborn baby threaten the harmony of Nosipo and the Sambulo's new marriage, and the Makwaza mourn the death of their beloved Bamtsimbi on Wednesday. A last-minute wedding surely has plenty of room for error, with a skeleton all running amok out of the closet. What chance does a new love have to withstand a scorned woman's fury on Thursday? Nosipo gives birth to baby Muzi. Sibonelo gets a ton of cash from Felipe. Mamlambo introduces us to the Kwamashu Trailblazers on Friday. Nkunzi and Kapsile relish in the joys of their honeymoon, while Sibonelo searches for the whereabouts of his girlfriend Nomaswazi. Nosipo bond with the baby, and the Kuala seems to be loving their new reality. Mjolo will always be Mrs. Madlala's pandemic. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.